Well, this is the beginning of the end of the coronavirus pandemic that's upended lives, ravaged the economy and unleashed unprecedented suffering over the last 12 months. Today is the day when India launches one of the world's biggest vaccination programs ever. Two vaccines developed by the Oxford University and AstraZeneca, as well as the Bharat Biotech vaccine, will be administered to 3 lakh healthcare workers across over 3,000 centres pan-India. In the first phase, 3 crore healthcare workers and frontline workers will get the jab, followed by about 27 crore older than 50 or high-risk people. The nationwide COVID-19 vaccination drive will be launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at 10:30 a.m. via video conferencing. NDTV will report from different corners of the country to mark the momentous day. Let's first go across to Delhi, where my colleague Sukirti Dwivedi joins us with the very latest. Sukirti, what do you have for us this morning?
Yes, the day is finally here. We are standing at AIIMS, New Delhi, and this is the place where Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan will be arriving at about 10:30 a.m. when the Prime Minister will also be connecting with vaccination sites across India via video conferencing. So AIIMS will be the place at the new OPD block, the one that we are standing next to. This will be the place where the vaccination site will be, and here the entire launch will begin at about 10:30 a.m. just like it will happen at sites across India. AIIMS has been a very crucial part of India's battle against COVID. At least over more than 600 healthcare workers at AIIMS also suffered from COVID. So they've not only fought the battle for the patients, but many of them also took personal risks. They've gone through months of struggle, and finally the day is here. Preparations for the vaccination have been on for the last several days. The staff here completely prepared in terms of all the medical equipments, all the resources, everything that is needed, and all the staff has been trained here in order to handle any kind of side effects that one may register, whether it's dizziness or headache, any of those side effects. The hospital staff is fully prepared to handle those as well. But as of now, everybody here excited, especially the staff, that after all of these tough months, the vaccine is going to be finally here.
Well, absolutely, Sukirti. There is a lot of excitement in anticipation of the first round of vaccines that will be administered today. We will, of course, continue to keep coming back to you for more updates as to what's happening in Delhi. But let's shift our focus from Delhi now to Tamil Nadu, where vaccination will be taking place across 166 centres across the state of Tamil Nadu. The state has received more than 5 lakh Covishield vaccines and over 20,000 Covaxin vaccines as well. 25 government healthcare workers, including senior doctors, have sought the Covaxin vaccine to be administered, though it is yet to be cleared whether the third phase efficacy trial data is going to be out anytime soon or not. It's interesting because in order to inspire confidence in Covaxin, which is yet to release its phase 3 data, 10 top doctors in the state are going to get vaccinated today by the Covaxin vaccine in order to avoid any rumours. NDTV Sam Daniel reports.
Joining us now, Dr. Therani Rajan, the Dean of the Government Rajiv Gandhi Medical College and Hospital in Chennai, who will also be among the first to take the vaccination. How does it feel to be among the first to take the vaccination?
Very, very, very happy. And at last we got the vaccines now to protect against COVID coronavirus infection. And I'm planning to take Covaxin.
Covaxin?
Yes.
Because many would be apprehensive about that.
No, many are apprehensive about Covaxin. Just to create the confidence among the healthcare workers, I want to stand as the first person to take this vaccine.
Right. And what gives you that confidence? Many would say it is yet to clear the phase 3 efficacy trial.
Even phase 3 trial also, nearly 22,000 people have already taken, and they have not come across any side effects so far. And the efficacy also is good. So I prefer to take Covaxin.
What runs in your mind? Excitement, fear, anxiety?
No, this is, see, basically I'm a pediatrician. I know the vaccine effect in children. So once you protect the children with all the vaccine preventable diseases, how we reach zero polio in our country.
Right.
So like that, if you really want to eradicate or to eliminate coronavirus from our state, I think vaccine is very, very important. To produce herd immunity, I strongly feel that everyone has to take vaccine. Either one of the vaccine has to be taken.
All right, let's now shift our focus to what's happening in Mumbai. Purva Chitnis joins us with the very latest. Purva, what more can you tell us?
Well, in fact, if we talk about Maharashtra in all, then Maharashtra now total has 291 centers, and of which there are 6 centers where Covaxin will be administered. So they are 4 government colleges and 2 government hospitals in Maharashtra. So in Mumbai there is 1 government hospital where Covaxin will be given, but now where I am right now, which is the BYL Nair Hospital, this is a BMC run hospital, and this is the hospital which is one of the important hospitals in Mumbai which is going to get Covishield, and the preparations are still on here. Like after 11 is when the vaccine process will start, and this is the team which in fact is going to be on duty and who will be giving the vaccine. So let's just understand with from them that how the preparations are. Ma'am, बताएं कैसे preparations किए हैं? 11 बजे से vaccination का actual vaccination शुरू होने वाला है.
पहले इनॉग्रेशन हो जाएगा, मेयर कोई आने वाले उनसे इनॉग्रेशन हो जाएगा, उसके बाद
कितने लोगों को मतलब कितने लोग रजिस्टर्ड है इस सेंटर में?
500 ना,
500 they decided
500 लोग. तो कब तक आएंगे? क्या SMS कब तक गए?
they are going to start after 10:30.
अच्छा, और आपने क्या क्या प्रिपरेशंस किया? क्या आपने भी आपको भी वैक्सीन लेने हैं? आपका कब टाइम है?
Whenever we will get SMS, that time we have to come for vaccine. We will get online SMS.
ओके, तो आज आप में से कोई भी वैक्सीन नहीं लेने वाले, लेकिन आज देने वाले हैं. कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? पहली बार आप ये जो वैक्सीन है, आप ड्यूटी पे है, आप देने वाले हैं.
We are very excited how it will go, how it will miss success and that.
We are very proud that we have the part of this hospital, and this is a historical moment in the all India and all the world, and we are very proud of it.
And so 500 people will be there, and all the preparations are done here.
Preparation is going on, and till
it's already over. Setup is already done. We are prepared for everything now, and we are just waiting for when it's going to start.
So just to be clear, this is where Covishield will be given, right?
Covishield serum
will be given. So any special preparations that you had to do to convince people to come over during your dry runs? When people came over, and was there any kind of special preparations that you did?
Yeah, we have prepared one room, restroom is there. We have prepared all our guidelines. We have written over in the board and all, and we'll give health talks, and all the patient means the health workers will are coming here, and all preparation is done.
So all preparations are done. Thank you for speaking to us. So yes, so all preparations are done here, at least at the Nair Hospital, which is in Mumbai, which is one of the top hospitals here. And in Mumbai, there are in all going to be 40 vaccination booths and 9 centers where this vaccine will be given. 8 are hospitals and 1 is the BKC Jumbo Center, where at around 11 is when CM Uddhav Thackeray will also come, and that's when the vaccine drive at BKC will start, when Uddhav Thackeray will also come at the BKC center. But there are these 8 hospitals in Mumbai where Covishield will be given, and there's one state-run hospital, JJ Hospital, where Covaxin will be given. So in all, the state has received around 9.63 lakh doses, and 7.9 lakh beneficiaries have been identified for this first phase. And in Mumbai, 20,000 people will be given vaccine on the first day.